Yeah, man, another cool spot to be discovered by everybody here in the city of Bangkok. I think it's going to be very difficult for people to recognize this area when they come here. So this is the Siam Square, and you might recognize this building, which is the Siam Scape. I made a video there a couple of months ago, and there you have MBK. So this street completely changed. It's in the middle of the construction. This is where Hard Rock Cafe used to be. So they tore that down, and there in the back you have Square One. But I will go now into the Siam Scape and show you an overview how it looks. I'm back here in front of the Siam Scape. The 9th and the 10th floor opened up. I haven't been there yet. I'm happy to give an update regarding that. So the Siam Scape is here next to the Siam BTS station. I made a video here a couple of months ago when it opened. Okay. But then the Sky Scape or the Sky Garden wasn't open yet. Still the shops are not all open. But I am taking the elevator to the 9th floor where you have the L.A.M.P, the learning and meeting place. And then after that I will show you the Sky Scape on the 10th floor. I'm here at the L.A.M.P, the learning and meeting place. And the last time I was here, this was all under construction. But it's ready now. There is a robot lab. And then here the 7-Eleven and a Cafe Amazon. Looks quite futuristic, doesn't it? So this is on the 9th floor of the Siam Scape. And from here you have a great view of the whole area. So this is the Siam BTS station. You see the train coming out of there. Down here is where it used to be the cinema. Nice view of the Bayok and the Bangkok Art and Cultural Center, the BACC. And this is the green train line that's going all the way up towards Chatuchak, and actually towards Don Muang. Yeah, this is all part of the university, the Chulalongkorn University. Here you have a view of MBK. And a pretty cool sunset, might I say. Yeah, just one of these cool projects that you have here in Bangkok. Yeah, I'm always happy to discover stuff. I realize there is a lot of vloggers at the moment in Bangkok coming from all over the world. And you might see quite a few different versions of this one again, which is really cool. I mean, everybody has their own style and their own way of showing it. I mean, this is probably the 7-Eleven with the best view in town. Sawadee krap. Look at this. I mean, you have 7-Eleven and then you have 7-Eleven. Yeah, to get to Siam Scape, you can just take the BTS to Siam, and then you get out at Siam Square 1. From there, you just walk through it until the next street, turn right, and then you'll see the building. So on the 10th floor, you find this Sky Garden, which is pretty awesome. You know, I mean, I really enjoy it when I discover something new, and this is definitely new. I haven't been here before, and the views from here are actually really cool. So let me go up here. Wow. This reminds me a little bit of the Samyan Midtown. Yeah, so the Siam Scape is a mixed office and university building. So a big part of the university students are having college here. I mean, I could imagine a worse place to study. So actually, Samyan Midtown is down here, down the road. And this whole area here in front is part of the Chulalongkorn University. Yeah, man, another cool spot to be discovered by everybody here in the city of Bangkok. So let me see if I can do a walk around here. See there on the building you have the name loud and clear, Chulalongkorn University. There in the back would be Lumpini Park. You cannot see it from here. Yeah, this is gonna be a great evening sunset place. Sawadee krap. Cool, na? Very beautiful. Swai magma. Yeah, so hereby I will conclude my update regarding the Siam Scape. Last time I was here there was no Sky Garden yet, and the shops on the 9th floor were not open. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.